Custom headlight cleaning. Once I finish doing the first run and give it a second spray, if I don't see the foam dingy yellow and it looks more clear white, that is the most I can get out from your headlights. 424-757-2349 is my number. Give me a call. Same day service. $25 for the headlights. No scrubbing, no scratching your headlights. I spray this on, let the pores, release all that gunk from your headlights. Then I'll do a clear coat on it, and it'll look much, much better. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start rinsing it so you get a better idea of what I'm talking about, how beautiful this is gonna look before I give it that glossy look to it. So if you're looking to get some headlight cleaning, give me a call, 424-757-2349. Same day service. I'm located in Compton, California, Rancho Dominguez, off of the 710 freeway. You can stop on by, give me a call, and I'll get it cleaned up. And if anything, I'll even stop by your location if you're close by. 424-757-2349. I got to dry it out and give it a gloss. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.